Drag a checkbox from the libraries pane. You can click the checkbox to switch its selection state. In the Style pane, you can set the size of its box. Click on the left or right arrows to set its alignment. You can change the selected state of the checkbox through interaction. Add a click interaction to the card. Select the Set Selected or Checked action. Select Checkbox Target. Select Toggle. Click OK. Preview the prototype. When clicking on the card, the checkbox toggle the selection state. Select Checkbox to add interaction. You can see selected, unselected, and selected or unselected events. We can use it to show and hide widgets. Select selected or unselected event. Add a case and condition. Keep the setting of is selected this equals value true. Add an action to show the card. Copy and paste the interaction, then change true to false and show to hide. Preview the prototype. When we check the checkbox, the card is shown, and when we uncheck the checkbox, the card is hidden.